tomorrow morning. I know that, right? I go look inside, I know how many products I've sold today. What is remaining is inventory level. How many products are there tomorrow morning? This information I have. I also know what is the, so remember, this is an important item, right? If you know the inventory level, you can predict what will happen the next day. The demand forecast. So that means now, I want to differentiate between demand and sales. Okay, so just because there is a demand, and by the way, this is a forecast. So somebody in the company has run some model and has predicted, has forecasted how much demand you're going to have tomorrow. Now, it is not necessary that every demand will convert into a sale. That means, you go to a shop. Nowadays, you buy on Amazon, but you go to a shop and then you're thinking, let me just take a look and see, I may be interested, but I may not buy it. Okay, so demand essentially just says what is the number of customers who will come into the shop hoping to buy. Okay, so that is also a forecast. It is not the actual value. So we don't know that, right? Tomorrow's demand, we don't know what is going to actually happen, but we know how many people may show up in the store. Price of the product. Now think about it. This is another variable. Right? How many sales you make might depend on the price of the product. If it's cheap, maybe more people will buy. Is there any discount available now for the product? Okay, for a computer, is there any discount? Are they giving any 25% off or something like that? Okay. So that means that is another thing. I wanted to get a subtle difference between price and discount. So price itself is essentially saying these are the features of the laptop. This is the raw price of the product. Okay, then there is some discount available. Then the weather condition that is predicted. Now this data set is based on the U.S. where there's a huge weather-related stuff going on. Like if it's a snowy day, like actually if you look outside my window, it is snowing a lot. A snowy day, people are not going to go to a store and buy stuff. Okay, so they're thinking, okay, maybe what is the weather predicted? That might influence what is the number of sales. And whether there's any promotion or holiday, like for example, New Year's and